How to make the best pizza. Use high-quality flour for the dough, San Marzano tomatoes for the sauce, fresh mozzarella cheese, and premium toppings like prosciutto or fresh basil. Mix flour, water, yeast, salt, and a bit of olive oil to make a soft, elastic dough. Let it rise slowly in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours for optimal flavor development. Simmer San Marzano tomatoes with garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, and herbs like basil and oregano until thickened. Blend for a smooth consistency. Roll the dough into a thin circle for a crispy crust. Dust the surface with flour to prevent sticking. Spread a thin layer of sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a border for the crust. Add slices of fresh mozzarella cheese or grated cheese of your choice. Add toppings sparingly to avoid overwhelming the pizza. Opt for fresh vegetables, meats, and herbs that complement the flavors. Preheat your oven to its highest temperature with a pizza stone or baking sheet inside. Slide the pizza onto the hot surface and bake until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Garnish the hot pizza with fresh basil leaves, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and a sprinkle of sea salt to enhance the flavors. Use a pizza cutter to slice the pizza into wedges and serve immediately while it's hot and fresh. Don't be afraid to experiment with different toppings, sauces, and cooking techniques to find your perfect pizza recipe. And most importantly, enjoy the process and savor every delicious bite.